Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the BitMart crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the BitMart application on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the login button to continue logging in. Now you can use your phone number or your email address depending upon which method you used while signing up for your account. If you have used your phone, choose your country code and then enter your phone number. Then enter your account password and tap on the sign in button. You will receive the verification code within your phone, and after entering this, you will be logged into your account. Alternately, tap on the email address option and then enter your email address that you have used while signing up. Then type in your account password and tap on the sign in button. Now, after verifying the CAPTCHA, you will be prompted to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your email and you will find this login code. Just enter this code and now you will be logged into your account right away. All of your previous funds will also be restored and you can immediately start trading. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the BitMart Crypto Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.